Hello again, everybody, and especially to those who are looking for a job. We have an office and building cleaning job which is available for interview on September 14. That will be Thursday, tomorrow. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply for this is a cleaning company located in Yokohama in Kanagawa, and there is also in Ushiku in Ibaraki. So we are looking for 3 to 5 people for this, and the salary will be from 200,000 yen. So if you are willing to apply, this is scheduled September 14, Thursday. So let us know if you are willing to apply for this position. And by the way, we do have a job fair and interview every day from Monday to Sunday. So you can call our office number at 03620-68058 for more inquiries. You can also look for my name as Shana. So I'm available from Monday to Sunday. Thank you.